Hi there. I just wanted to take a minute out of my day to talk to you about something dear to my heart. I feel like I've been having a lot of pressure to make sure no one's coming the way I look. A lot of people are being very ugly to others because they can't look as good as me. And they're making up things. Instead of just saying how cute I am and handsome I am, they're making up things, like talking about how bad I drool. I've been working on it. I've been working on it a lot. And sometimes I just can't, see, it's heartbreaking. I just can't always contain it. Sometimes I get excited and my nose gets going and it grows. And it becomes a little out of hand. I would think that my beautiful eyes would make up for any slobber that I have. Just don't know why people have to be so unkind. We just need to love each other and be loved. That's all for now.